Hey guys, this is Ahmed Dawn. I'm on Ukulhas Island, which is a local island in the Maldives, and I'm going to have my hair cut here. So let me just show you quickly. So this is a small island. That part is north and that part is south, and you can walk from one side to another side very shortly. So we're gonna have lots of walk videos and stuff, and we found a barber shop right here. So I'm gonna have haircut, hair color, shape, everything all at one place. And I spoke with him yesterday, very nice guy, and the prices are very reasonable. So that's kind of the Maldivian blue waters, which you'll see other videos, but in this video we're just going to have the experience of having a local haircut in Maldives.
So I think it's maybe for women. For men.
For men.
Yeah.
So wearing sandal.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So how much is haircut, color, and shave? All. We're doing everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
200.
200.
220.
220. Haircut, color, and shape. Okay. So hair is not very short. Okay. And here and on top, I want 50% lesser. Okay. Okay. Like you say. Side is little, but not too short.
6 millimeters, 10 millimeters.
I don't understand millimeter, but it's just it kind of sizes a little bit. It's already short, so just very little. But see in front and on top, I want short, yeah, and the shape and color and everything. Okay, so you can just keep it on a little bit, not all the time.
Yeah.
On.
So this is the hair color that the guy used for Ahmed Dawn.